Happy St. Paddy's Day 2021, everyone. And thank you, TJ, for keeping this tradition alive. I, for my part, am going to attempt an a cappella version of, I believe it's Van Morrison's Among the Rolling Hills. Hey, among the rolling hills, I'll live my life in him. I will live my life in him among the rolling hills. And with my wife and child, I'll do no man no ill. I will do no man no ill among the rolling hills. And as they are writing my song upon the rolling hill, with my pen I'll write my song among those rolling hills. And ere I'll do my jig among those rolling hills, I will do my jig and live among the rolling hills. And as there I'll write my song among the rolling hill, I will sing my songs along the rolling hill. Yeah, with my pen I'll write my songs along the rolling hill. Yeah, with my pen I'll write my song along the rolling hill.